Well, hello there. First off, I want to say thank you all so much for enjoying this series that I am doing. This is part 4, número 4, of this series that we are doing for the beginners, people out there, just starting calligraphy. And in this part, it is going to be things to do to continue improvement and things that I use and have learned, and I'm sharing them with you with these tips that I am going to be discussing. I'm going to talk a bit about each, just 3 simple ones that are difficult at first to implement, but the more you do them, the easier they get. So number 1 is going to be practice often. And when I say practice often, I mean, when you're first starting out, you got to practice every day. And at times, you may not feel like practicing or even picking up your pens, but that is the only way to get to a level that you would be happy with. And really, that's all depends on the goals that you set for yourself and how far you want to take it. And number 2, you want to document your progress. By document, hold on, water break. By documenting your progress, you want to document it to show yourself and others your growth and how much you improved. If you look at my Instagram, as always, links are in the description. You will see my start from my Instagram calligraphy and lettering, which as you see, my lettering is nowhere near like mine calligraphy. And I just documented that from the beginning to where I am now. And you'll see a lot of mistakes and the differences and how my work is now. So document your work. It is great for you and for others to see. And you can document it any way. You don't have to, it's not just with Instagram. You could start a blog and just post there as frequently as you can. But document your progress. It shows growth a lot. Just like with my videos here, documenting them for you all, you see like how my videos were before compared to now. And last but not least, number 3, which is very, very important in every way that I can imagine, is study other people's work. And by studying that, you all know I talk about it a lot, studying work. You want to look at the work that other people are doing and see what they're doing and the choices that they are making. And therefore, doing that, you'll be able to learn about making different choices within your own work. So study those people that you are influenced by, and remember this: be influenced but not copy, because copying is only going to get you so far. And just do a little recap: practice often, document your progress, and then study the works of others. What are some things that you feel that you would use, or how you use to... Okay, so with that said, what are some things that you would use to continue to improve? Just let me know in the comments below. And as always, I appreciate you taking the time to watch the videos. And can't believe it, we are growing. We're at 846 subscribers. I really appreciate you taking the time to click that subscribe button, because you don't have to. And we'll be on the way to 1,000. So if you find any of my stuff that you want to share, feel free to share it. Invite your friends over, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.